Hello Adelaide Songwriters, my name is Francesca de Valens and I'm the founder of Songwriting Club. So some of you know that I'm coming to Adelaide at the end of July to run a couple of workshops. Some of you know because you've already got your tickets. Now I'm running a free workshop on Wednesday the 24th of July, which is totally free from 8 p.m. till 9:30 p.m. at the Box Factory Community Centre. And now that event is actually booking out really fast. So if you haven't yet reserved your free ticket for that, please do, because it will actually book out. But I wanted to actually let you know about a really special event that I'm running on Saturday the 27th of July. It's a full day workshop. You're going to be workshopping with me in a really small group of other singer-songwriters who are really wanting to get clarity around the music career that they want to be actually really going after. So if you're somebody that wants to be writing amazing songs, wants to get your music onto stages, wants to be recording and releasing your music and building a fan base so that you can actually have a career doing this, and that includes making money from music, then this is a great event for you. And what you're going to be doing when you come to this event is you're going to be getting really clear on your vision. You're actually going to find what are the things that are holding you back from having everything that you want. And together we're actually going to put a plan together for what that looks like for you to be actually really going after the life that you want as a singer-songwriter and writing those amazing songs, playing on stages, recording and releasing your music, and really building a following and a fan base. So if that's you, then I can really highly recommend that you book your tickets ASAP for that. If you're a Songwriting Club member or a Scala member, there's a 30% discount, and early birds open till a month before. So actually there might not be any early birds left by the time you go to book, but my point is, it's not an expensive one-day event, but it's an amazing investment for what you're going to get out of this, which is a plan to actually live the life that you want. And there's a video from some of our songwriters who've actually attended this event in other cities around Australia before, and they've just gotten so much out of it. They're really going after their career now, and they've got a vision, and it's clear. And when it's clear, it's so much easier to take action on. So if you're a songwriter who's been really wanting some support around that, this workshop is going to give you that. So book your tickets to Inspire Your Way to Living Your Wildest Creative Dreams workshop with me. And if you haven't got your free tickets to my Wednesday the 24th workshop, please do that too. Thanks everybody. I'm really looking forward to connecting with you all in Adelaide really soon. Take care. See you then.